In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to take a screenshot without buttons on Android. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to your settings. As you can see, my setting application is right here. I'm going to tap on that. And from here, basically scroll all the way down until we find the advanced feature setting. Tap on that and look for motions and gestures. Now, if you can't find this particular setting the way I just showed you, what you can do is look for the magnifying glass and basically just search for motion, and then it should appear motions and gestures. Tap on that, and yeah, from here, what you want to look for is the very last setting. At least in my case, it's palm swipe to capture. So I'm going to enable it. So the way this works, you have to put the side of your entire hand on one edge of the screen to the left and basically swipe across to the right hand side of your device. So just like this, and then a screenshot was taken. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to take a screenshot without buttons on Android. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.